Now I'm going to collect the data using this Infineon deployment board. So this board is already flashed with the SensiML template firmware in data collection mode and connected to the computer. And now this is the data capture lab. I'm going to use this. So first, just connect to the PSoC Wi-Fi BT Pioneer Kit. And once it is connected, so you can see the data is streaming actually now. And then as I am talking, so since it could be a noise, so I'm going to change the level and text as a noise, and then it could be some background activity, some TV playing or any other sound. And once this is done, so first I have to start recording, and then we can wait for 10 seconds. So the recording will be automatically closed after 10 seconds. So you can see the recording is completed and the level is actually noise. So this is fine. And then I can save it to the data. And this data is actually being uploaded to the SensiML cloud. Now we can go ahead and change this to the Faucet and select the level as a Faucet. And then we are going to collect the Faucet data. So now I am going to record the running Faucet data. So the data will be recorded for 10 seconds and it will be auto set. And we can save the data and it is uploaded to the SensiML cloud. Thanks. So now we are going to annotate the data. So we already have collected the data here, and we have to select the session as a manual and just select the data. And data is opened in this view, the level explorer view. And actually we can select the data from the start to the end. And then we can actually edit the level and select it as a Faucet and click on the done. So the segment is actually selected and labeled correctly. Thanks.